Well, do you think economic is a boring subject? So let me start this presentation by showing a clip of a popular Bollywood movie song from the super hit movie Gadar. So when you say this song by Nikla Gaddi Leke, what does comes to your mind? Guess. Correct. What comes to our mind is a truck. And when we see these colorful, beautiful trucks, immediately what thing can be related with? Can you make another guess? Exactly, it's about roads. So I, Vidhu Saxena, student of 1618 PGPBM batch, is going to present a short video on road transport, infrastructure, and Indian economy, wherein I'll tell about the current state of infrastructure related to road and its impact. This presentation is structured around the problem statement, historical scenario, premise, challenges in development, and suggested solution with timelines. I'm also going to quote some numbers to let us know what is the gravity of the problem and how urgent it is to deal with it. The problem is the country's poor infrastructure is the biggest hurdle to government's flagship Make in India program, as per S&P report. It clearly states, as we are focusing on Make in India, how essential it is to look after our road infrastructure and improve upon it. This the road infrastructure in India in the current scenario we see is dominated by the smaller segment of major and other district roads, which constitute around 25 lakh 77,000 kilometers, and mostly is single way and at times it is unmetalled as well. India is having the second largest road network in the world, and 80% of overall infrastructure of transportation is taken care by the road, which also tells how biased it is towards the road and how essential it is to improve upon it. Now, what are the problems? These numbers clearly tell the gravity of the problem. With $14.7 billion of loss due to additional fuel consumption because of the poor quality, and $6.6 billion of loss due to delays, and this results in deaths of around 10,000 people annually. And this is when the speed of the road vehicles is just 30 to 40 kilometers, which also contributes to the delay. And this all shows that there's a huge and immense potential to improve upon. Now, what are the challenges? First is funding, because government alone cannot fund improvisation of the road network, the governance and the regulation of the existing PPP model, and finally, the immense bias towards the road infrastructure out of the overall infrastructure ecosystem within the country. We need to actually look into all four to improve upon. What are the suggested solutions? To have a viable public private partnership model, having an effective regulator which can look into proper governance and regulation like you have in electricity and telecom sector in India, creation of information communication technology for improvisation of road infra, and most importantly, investment into basic core research into research design of road infrastructure so that we develop good engineers and better technologies. So that's all. I hope this presentation had made some sense and help us to realize how urgent it is to work on and improve the current road infrastructure, including from educating and research segment to overall development. Thank you.